In an era of smartphones, AI, and endless scrolling, one machine from the 1950s is making a comeback. Gen Z is falling in love with typewriters. And here's the twist. Some people are turning them into serious side hustles. So why typewriters? For some, it's the aesthetic. A vintage machine that feels authentic in a digital world. For others, it's about focus. No notifications, no tabs, just you and the page. And here's the kicker. Many of these machines were collecting dust in basements. Until TikTok and Instagram gave them a second life. Here's where it gets interesting. That old typewriter your grandparents kept. On eBay, it could go for $150, $250, sometimes even $500 if it's rare. Collectors, writers, and even interior designers are buying them. People are flipping typewriters from thrift stores, flea markets, and Facebook Marketplace into real profits. Here's an example. A $25 thrift store typewriter recently sold for $275. That's a 10 times return. And some sellers aren't just flipping. They're repairing and customizing them, then reselling for even more. It's not just nostalgia. It's a small business opportunity hiding in plain sight. So next time you see an old typewriter, don't just walk past it. That heavy, dusty machine could be worth hundreds of dollars, or even spark a full-blown side hustle. And the best part? You're not just making money, you're keeping a piece of history alive. What do you think? Would you buy a typewriter or flip one?